Hello, in front of me I've got Android smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to pin apps. If you want to pin any app, first you have to go to settings and go to security and privacy. Next, enter more security and privacy and app pinning. Enable this function. And now, to use app pinning, turn on app pinning, open overview, tap the app icon in the top of the screen, then tap pin. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.